This is one of the most requested video topics we have on our social channels, which is what are some of the most affordable universities here in Australia. And we went and did some research and found out some of these affordable universities for you guys. So if you want to know about these affordable universities, make sure to stick around till the end. And if you are someone who is aspiring to do an MBA course in Australia, I will give you the name of one of these colleges where you can actually do this MBA course for just $20,000 per year. That's correct. Only $20,000 per year you can do your MBA course here in Australia. Want to know more? Please stick around till the end. So let's get started with some of these most affordable universities. Number one on our list is University of Sunshine Coast. The university is located in Sunshine Coast, which is in the state of Queensland, and offer different courses to international students, including business, science, IT, engineering, and so on. Now, when it comes to tuition fee, the tuition fee for the bachelor courses start from around $25,000, and if you are an international student planning to do a master's degree, that starts from around $28,000 per year. Of course, the university also offers scholarship to international students. So if you are someone who's aspiring to study a bachelor or master degree in Australia and looking for affordable option, this might be the university you need to check out. The next one on our list is Federation University. The main campus of this university is located in Ballarat in Victoria, which is around 1.5 to 2 hours away from Melbourne. Again, Federation University offer many different type of courses for international students. Some of the popular ones include business, IT, engineering, science, and many others. Now, when it comes to the most important question, which is the tuition fee, the bachelor degree programs start from around $26,000 per year, and the master's degree programs start from around $30,000 per year. Please keep in mind that these are just averages. The cost may vary depending upon the course you are taking, and it could be based on the locations as well, as some of these universities have multiple locations. Again, there are opportunities for international students to apply for some of the scholarships to study at this university. Moving on to our university number 3, which is University of Southern Queensland, also known as USQ. This is another university that is located in the state of Queensland in the town of Toowoomba. International students can study different type of courses such as business, education, IT, and so on. The average fee for the bachelor courses start from around $27,000 per year, and for the master degree programs it starts around $30,000 per year. Again, don't forget to take an advantage of the scholarships offered by the University of Southern Queensland. Next on our list is Torren University. This university is located in Adelaide, South Australia, although they have many other campuses around various cities in Australia. Some of the popular courses at this university for international students include business, health, design, education. Now, when it comes to the tuition fee, the bachelor degree program starts from around $27,000 per year, and the master's degree programs are starting from around $31,000 per year. Again, up to 35% of scholarships are available for international students. So if you get one of those scholarships, it can make the things even more affordable for you. Moving on to our next university, which is Charles Darwin University, also known as CDU. The main campus of this university is in Darwin, which is the capital city of Northern Territory, although they have a campus in other cities as well. Students can study various type of courses in this university, including business, health, science, engineering, education, and many others. For the tuition fee, the bachelor courses start from around $28,000 per year, and the master's degree program starts from around $31,000 per year. Charles Darwin University also offer up to 50% of the tuition fee for some of the students. Of course, these are usually based on merits and they are very limited in numbers. Imagine you getting 50% off on your tuition fee. That will be amazing. Am I right? Moving on to our next university, which is Southern Cross University. This university's main campus is in Lismore, which is in New South Wales. But again, they have campuses in Sydney, Melbourne, and other major cities. Again, multiple options are available for international students when it comes to choosing the course, such as business, health, IT, sciences, and so on. Average bachelor's degree starts from around $29,000 per year, and the master degree program starts from around $30,000 per year. And if you are wondering if there are scholarships available for Southern Cross University for international students, you're absolutely right. There are options available, so make sure to ask your agent or research on their website for more details regarding that. Next on our list is Charles Sturt University, which is also known as CSU. This university has multiple campuses across different cities in Australia, although Bathurst in New South Wales is one of their main campuses. Again, multiple options are available for international students to choose from when it comes to courses, business, science, ID, education, and so on. The average bachelor degree courses start from around $29,000 per year. The master's degree starts from $33,000 per year. And yes, there are support and scholarships available for international students to apply for, which can make things even less expensive for you. Next on our list is University of New England, also known as UNE. The main campus of this university is also in New South Wales in the city of Armidale, but don't worry, they have got campuses in other cities as well. Students can study health, business, law, science, arts, and many other type of courses. Average bachelor's degrees start from around $30,000 per year, and masters are around similar numbers as well, which is around $30,000 per year as well. And students who are keen to apply for scholarships, go on to the UNE's website. There are multiple options available for scholarship. Last but not the least on our list is Australian Catholic University, ACU. Again, this university has multiple campuses across Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, and so on. And the popular courses that many students take are business, arts, health, education, theology, and so on. Average bachelor's degree start from $30,000 per year, and the master's degree is around $32,000 per year. ACU is also rewarding international students with up to half of their tuition fee covered with scholarship. So make sure to check their ACU's International Student Scholarship. It's very limited in numbers, so make sure to apply as soon as possible for this scholarship if you are planning to study with this university. So these were some of the most affordable universities for studying bachelor's and master's degree here in Australia. Now there are many other universities and colleges that offer affordable courses to international students in Australia. Obviously in this video we were looking at bachelor's and master's degree program, but if you are planning to study vocational education program, they are much more affordable than these degree programs. And if you want us to make a video on that as well, please let me know in the comment section below. Now before I talk about an MBA degree for just $20,000 per year, let me give you some more tips that might help you further when you're choosing these affordable universities. First thing first is to compare fee and scholarship of different universities. At times it could happen that some courses might be cheaper in one of the universities we mentioned, while it may be the case in other times that it may not be the cheapest option available. So ideally we would like you to search on the fee of the university and also the scholarship options that university is offering to you. Sometimes you might get a really good scholarship from other universities, so you have to compare when you're choosing these universities. The next thing will be checking the university rankings and reviews. Although these were some of the most affordable universities, they may not be ranking in the top 100 as well. So you may need to check the university rankings of these universities or other affordable universities, and also make sure to read their reviews online as well. Also, it's important that some of these universities may have campuses in one city or the other, and you may have a preference when it comes to choosing a city or state. So make sure to do a research whether the university you are planning to study also has a campus in your preferred city as well. And if they are not, then you may have to look for other alternatives. Also, when choosing a course, make sure that there is at least 2 years minimum study requirement that course is offering. Some of the courses could be 1.5 years or only 1 year long, and that might be the reason those courses are even more affordable because of their time durations. So check that the course is at least a minimum of 2 years, because in order to apply for any further visas and post-study graduate visas, you will need to meet minimum of 2 years study requirement. And also make sure to check the level of university you're applying for as well. There are different levels of universities when it comes to applying for your visas. Some of these universities may not be in level 1 or level 2, so you may have to check whether it is wise for you to apply for these universities or not based on their levels as well, because it can impact your visa outcomes. Now when it comes to MBA for only $20,000 per year with at least 4 semesters, which is also about your 2-year minimum study requirement, an institute that is offering that is Holmes Institute. If you go to the Holmes Institute's website, you will see that they're offering Masters of Business Administration Professional, which is 4-semester course for just $40,000, which is roughly $10,000 per semester. And if you're doing 2 semesters per year, that will be your $20,000 per year for your tuition fee. And again, this video is not sponsored by any of these university or colleges or institute we have just mentioned. It was just based on our own research from different sources and the university websites as well. Now I've got a bit of job for you all as well. There is a link to the Google Sheet in the description box below. Go to that link and we have listed all these affordable universities over there as well, with a link to their scholarship page and to their course fee as well. I would like you to go and do some research about the course that you're planning to study and find out how much it is costing you to do that course. And if you can also find some scholarships for that specific course or the university you're planning to study, please leave that in the comment section below, as it might help other students who are planning to pursue their courses here in Australia to find out about the average fee for the specific courses and scholarship options available. So I will look forward to your comments in the comment section below. Go and do some research, and I look forward to those comments. And if you are planning to study master's degree in Australia, we have got a very extensive guide on our channel as well. I suggest you to check this video over here, where we give you a complete guide for master's degree in Australia. Go and check it out, and I'll see you there.